Hello everybody, welcome to another video on music theory for absolute beginners. Today's class we will be combining certain things what we already have learned from the previous sessions, okay, about scales and chords, correct? See, the most uh, the most usual common doubt what everybody has is what are the chords to be played for a song, or which are the chords in a particular scale. These are the questions which generally people have, right? And if you know the shapes of the chords in the guitar, or once you know the chords in the keyboard, if you would have a general tendency to go online or ask somebody for the chords of a particular song and play it according to that, right? But you actually wouldn't know the theory behind it, right? So it is nice for us to know what is the reason behind why we place those particular chords for that particular song. Okay, so the C scale again. We go back again to the C scale, the most common scale what we are going to use. Okay, so the concept is very simple. Now, if you have a particular scale, all right, you will have a chord starting from every note of that scale. Okay, so you have 7 notes, the 8th note becoming the repeat note, so you will have 7 chords for those 7 notes, right? So the doubt is, now imagine if you take the first note, right? This is the C note. Now the doubt will be again the keyboard again, right? From C you can have C major, you can have C minor, you can have C diminished, you can have C augmented, right? These are the simplest of possibilities you can have. Can have many more chords from that. So the most common question is what chord to play among these 4 or 5, right? So that it fits into the scale. So the easiest way to find out which are the chords for one particular scale is, I will tell you now. So what you can do is, you have the first note, right? So the first chord will be, you take this note, skip a note, right? Go to the next, skip one more note, go to the next. Right? So it is C, E and G. Okay? C, E and G. So what is this chord? This will be the C major chord. Okay? So the first chord of this is a major scale, right? So the first chord of a major scale is always a major chord. Okay? C major. Okay? So this one is also called as the tonic, right? Right. Now we go to the second note. Okay? Same concept. Second note is D. Skip a note, go to the next note. So D, F and A. D, F, A. Right? So what is D, F and A? From our previous class, this will be D minor. If it was D major, it would have been D, F sharp and A. Correct? So the supertonic is called, right? Supertonic will be the minor, right? So in a major scale, the first chord will be major, the second note chord will be minor. Same way, third note E, G, B, correct? Third note E, G, B. So what is E, G, B? E, G, B is minor. If it was E, G sharp B, it would have been E major. Okay? So this is minor again. Alright? Next we go to the fourth note. So this was the mediant note, right? Mediant, I think. Fourth note is F, A, C. Okay? F, A, C. Right? F, A, C. F, A, C is major. Right? So F, A, C is major. So the subdominant note or the subdominant chord is major. Okay? Are you with me? Right? If you want to, you can just rewind the video and watch it again. It will be helpful, right? The next note is G, G, B, D. Okay? G, B, D. Okay? So G, B, D will be major chord, right? So the dominant is always major. Okay? Go to the next one. A, C and E. That is the sixth one. Right? A, C, E. That will be the, what is A, C, E? A, C, E is nothing but minor. Okay? Okay? So A, C, E is minor. Go to the seventh chord. B, D, F. Correct? B, D and F. So B, D, F will be, B, D, F is diminished. Right? So B, D, F is diminished. Okay? So the moral of this story will be, in a major scale, okay, the first chord, the fourth chord and the fifth chord are major chords, and the second, the third and the sixth chord is minor. Okay, and the seventh chord is the diminished or zero or whatever. Okay, you got the idea now how to construct the chords for the particular scale, correct? So this is how you get it. So if you imagine this rule will apply to, I will do one more small example. We will change the scale. We will go to, say, little difficult scale. You can say it as F, right? So F, G, A. So how do you know that? Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. This is the formula for the major scale, right? So F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E and F. Okay? So the same rule applies. So in this case, the first note will be F, right? Fourth will be B flat and fifth will be C. Okay? So in this case, the first, that is F, B flat and C will be the major chords. The G, A and the D chords will be the minor chords. Okay? This is important for you to know because again you have to make your chart about the notes of every scale and the chords, right? So you have an idea about how to play the chords for every particular scale. So if you remember 1, 4, 5 as major, okay, that is the recurring, usual, commonly used chords for any major scale. Okay, so if you hear some songs which are in the major scale, it will be like C major, right? Same way F major scale, what we just described. Okay, or if you say D major. Okay, so once you get this concept, it's all about doing this exercise repeatedly so that you get to understand how to find out the chords for that particular scale. Okay, I hope this is a little longer video. I hope you understood the fundamental concept of deriving the chords. Okay, as we go ahead slowly, we will try to apply these chords for some songs which I would love it if you would suggest it so that it will be easier to relate to. Okay, Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, because now the videos are getting a little less simple, a little more complicated, please leave a comment or send me an email or get in touch with me. I'll be happy to solve your doubts about it. Okay? Take care and enjoy music.